Hi everyone, today we're going to be swapping the arm or handle on a Bigsby vibrato unit. In this case we're going to be using the Gretsch branded B6C Bigsby, but this method will work with any Bigsby I can think of. Go ahead and take a look here at the Hex Grub Screw that we need to undo. We'll use a 3mm hex wrench. Your set might call it an H3 or a number 3. You don't need to take the grub screw all the way out. In fact, it's probably better if you don't. But it's not the end of the world if it does come out. As you can see, the arm just slides right off. Go ahead and put that grub screw back in so it doesn't get lost. We'll go ahead and take a look at the new arm. In this case, we're using the Duane Eddy arm. It's a thicker, all aluminum arm. Another notable difference is it doesn't have the arm tension spring. That's a deal breaker for some folks. I actually prefer that. Go ahead and back off the grub screw here. It doesn't need to come out, but I'll show you what happens if it does. Make sure you don't get your string retainer bar turned too far. It is possible to turn it 180 degrees, and you want to make sure that doesn't happen. If it does happen, you want to find out and fix it before you waste a set of strings, ideally. As you can see, it's not that big of a deal to put the grub screw back in. You get a little grease on your fingers, no big deal. Now, as you're tightening this down, you shouldn't feel any resistance at all. If you do, something's wrong. Go ahead and reassess. Went right in here. There's the string retainer bar angle. That's the correct angle. Take a look now at the Bigsby Spring. This is just a stock spring. You'll find that almost invariably one side is flatter than the other. I tend to put the flattest side pointed down. First time I installed a Bigsby, I wasn't quite sure what to do with the washer. I put it here and there. I took that nut off and tried putting it in there. No, this is how they intended for you to do it. I don't find that the washer is useful. It pops out. I'm a pretty heavy Bigsby user, and I have trouble with it, so I take it out and I like it better this way. The arm rides a little bit lower, but it's a plus for me as well. You're gonna have to put a little tension on the spring here to turn it around. Take another final look there. You can see the retainer nib is actually on the bar on the new one versus on the base on the other one. It doesn't really matter at all, except maybe if you're going to grind it off. Maybe we'll do a video on that in the future. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.